Hey, only you know how much effort, time, and money on training you need to put in order to close a deal with a client. As you already know, in today's marketing world, creating a lead in your niche costs $200 per lead at least. And then you need to do your very best, pull your best tactics in order to close a sale. And you always use the same tools and you end up trying to sell the product by promising more reliable service and better price, just like everyone else. You use salespeople that you pray and hold your finger crossed that they will be able to return the investment you put training them. Hope that they will give you a return for your dollar. So I have a question for you. If you could sell using a different method that would make you sell more and make much more money at the end of the day, while your customers are really happy with the result, what would you do? Would you like to hear what I have to tell you? Well, it's really good because after 23 years of experience as a designer of the world's leading companies, I have developed a method to turn your salespeople into skilled people who know how to make hot leads into a paying customers that want to buy from you and willing to pay the amount of money you ask. As you understand, the experience I have is vast and includes decades of work and guidance from individuals and leading companies around the world. I worked as a head chief designer of Holmes Place, Rado, Montblanc, Guess, Nautica, and many more, designing luxury houses, offices, and houses. I established Cube Online Design College, so I have over 19 years of experience as a lecturer as well. And I can tell you one thing, I know what I'm talking about and my records stand for my words. I'm sure you all will also want to get far-reaching results, which that makes sense by the way. And just for that, I have prepared an escort plan designed especially for you, a program that will teach your sales staff how to sell to a customer much more through design. Contact us now and personally I will send you the professional curriculum that your salespeople will go through to become an unstoppable sales winning team who knows and able to sell at your price and not drop in the market price. It's time. It's time for you to start selling your terms and prices. When your customer receive more than they expected, then and only then they will pay you the price you ask for. For over 23 years, I have been working with the leading companies and giving them the results you read about in the media. Now it's your turn to earn. Contact us now.